In a small apartment with the lights turned low, a mother counts the hours, trying not to show. Bills on the table, silence in the room. A child asks questions, no one answers soon. A father watches life through a glass he can't break. Love in his hands, but laws that won't bend. He waits in the shadow of a closed door truth. A heart full of rights he's never allowed to use. This is a family trying to breathe in a country forgetting what justice means. Broken work, broken dream, worn out soul, stones in the streets, weight on our bones. Ooh, factory silent, the days all the same. Promises fading, no one to blame. The streets remember what voices forget. History carved in unpaid debts. This is a family trying to breathe in a country forgetting what justice means. Broken work, broken dream, worn out soul, stones in the streets, weight on our bones. Hope like a fragile flame. A child learns early the rules of the game. A father still sings through the cracks of time. Love doesn't die.